A lot of people question why people like us put so much effort into saving dogs. It's kind of like an immediate gratification where you can help that dog, you can pull it off the street. If it doesn't belong to somebody, you can save the dog and give it a life.
We're on patrol with Los Angeles Police Department Sergeant Tammy Bauman and her partner, Officer Megan Casalicchio. It was the problem of so many stray dogs running the streets that prompted Sergeant Bauman to start Ghetto Rescue, a nonprofit organization that involves not only cops, but a lot of dedicated volunteers.
I like my job most of the time. It's interesting. You meet a lot of interesting people, come across some sad situations involving lots of people, and of course sometimes animals too. No 2 days the same, that's for sure.
I've been a police officer for 4.5 years. It really is a privilege to wear the badge, to wear the gun, and to be able to help people, and ultimately be able to help dogs.
There's a lot of people helping people, but there's not always so many options for dogs. You know, I had to testify in court recently on a case, and I estimated that I've probably helped over 400 dogs in the 19 years on the job. Right now we're driving in 77th Division, which is one of the LAPD divisions. If we see a dog and we think we can help the dog, the first thing we do is go get it scanned, see if it's got a microchip, see if it maybe belonged to somebody. A lot of times you can tell it probably doesn't, acts scared, maybe it's covered in matted fur, and then the next step would be take it to the vet. We let the shelter know when we find a dog so that they can put it in their books, and off we go. Get it medical treatment, get a haircut, and then we put it in a foster home if we have one available, and then we start working on finding the dog a home. We spay and neuter dogs that belong to citizens in the community that are low income. Maybe they can't get their dog to the clinic, so we don't mind helping them with that.
05 South Open Place, 2 large gray and white pit bulls in the area. It's code 2, incident 1954, party 1273.
1954, you wanna go to that? That's 2 loose pit bulls.
We get these calls a lot. A lot of times there's somebody's dog, they're friendly. It's just scary. It's scary to people to see a big dog like that running loose.
So we're the first ones they call, and then we determine if we need to call animal control. Is that them?
I think so. We're at 80.
I thought she said PD no longer needed.
Yeah.
Oh, they are. There's a little turkey.
Oh, look at this guy. Oh, this is a good dog.
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, there's 2 of them.
Why are you out? Hey, who's doggies?
Hello.
Hi, vicious pit bulls.
Oh, you got a boo-boo.
Hi.
What?
Hi.
Oh, we're happy.
Hi, you're vicious pit bulls.
Look, you're just mean.
Whose dogs?
Yeah.
Oh,
They're
somebody
yours?
called and said dogs were loose.
Oh yeah, I took a shower in it.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Good.
Well, they're scary looking, that's why.
Yeah, they are, but they...
Oh.
They're not though, huh?
That's okay. Scary pit bulls, scary pit bulls. These 2 obviously were not vicious dogs. They were classic friendly pit bull.
They just wanted kisses. So.
This is Southeast. We rescue a lot of dogs from Southeast too. We have officers down here that are rescuing dogs. There's a dog right there. She has a red mohawk.
You can see it.
Come here, mamas.
Sometimes when I go to him to get him, he runs away.
It doesn't have an owner. Would you let me find him a home?
You want to take him?
Not today, but we'll come back and get him. And then we'll get a home. We'll find him a home. So we'll go back and try to catch him, or we'll have them assist us and get him, and then get him to the vet, so he ought to be thrilled, and then get him into a foster home. And that's what we do. It's a win-win. The people get a great dog, we get a home for the dog, and they had some interaction that was good with the police, and I think it makes a difference to the officer and to the community.